Chapter 9 QBasic. Chapter Focus. Features of QBasic. Components of QBasic window. Element of QBasic. Hierarchy of operators. QBasic is a programming language based on DOS operating system. With the help of programming language, you can instruct the computer what you want it to do. Computer follows each step and does exactly the same as you instruct. A set of language that gives instructions to the computer to perform a task is called programming language. Examples are C, C++, Java, Pascal, COBOL, Fortran, etc. QBasic stands for Quick Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. This language is an extremely powerful and useful language. Features of QBasic. It is a simple and user-friendly language. It checks the syntax automatically. Reserved words can also be capitalized automatically. In existing program, modification can easily be done. Lengthy programs can be broken into modules. It has debugging feature. It supports local as well as global variables. Starting QBasic. Steps to start QBasic are as follows. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on DOS box 0.74-2. Step 4. Press ESC key to start making a program. Components of QBasic. Title bar. Title bar shows the name and logo of active file. Menu bar. Menu bar is present below the title bar, which consists of different menus. Status bar. Status bar is present at the bottom of the screen, which shows the current state of the program. Program window. It is the space where program is written. Name of the program. The name of the program is present below the menu bar. Name as untitled is by default, which saves a program. Immediate window. Immediate window is used for immediately executing statement without running the entire program. It is used as a debugging tool and is used when the user wants to check output of a single statement. Elements of QBasic. QBasic consists of a number of elements. Some standard elements are given below. Character set. A set of symbols that are allowed to be used in QBasic is known as the character set. It consists of alphabet, letters from A to Z, both small and capital. Numbers, digits from 0 to 9. Special characters, minus, plus, into, slash, greater than, less than, equal to, brackets, question mark, inverted commas, exponential, dollar, percentage, hash, exclamation mark, B. B is denoted for blank space. Constants. Constant is data or the value which does not change or remains fixed during the program execution. It may be a letter, word, number, or special character. Constants are of two types. 1. Numeric constant. 2. Alphanumeric or string constant. Numeric constant. It refers to a number which can be in the form of integer or real number, on which operations can be performed. Alphanumeric or string constant. It consists of a sequence of characters like letters, words, numbers, and special characters. Variable. Variables are the data whose value doesn't remain fixed and is changes when you work on execution of the program. Variables are of two types. 1. Numeric variables. 2. Alphanumeric or string variables. Numeric variables. Numeric variable holds the data in numerical form. These are further divided into two parts. A. Integer type. Whole numbers without decimal points. B. Floating type. Fractional numbers with decimal points. Alphanumeric or string variable. Variable which contains a string of numbers, a sentence or paragraph. Operator. An operator is a symbol which instructs the computer to do calculation work. There are three types of operators in QBasic: arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Expression. An expression is combination of operators, constant and variables that are expressed to give output. Statements. Set of commands or the instruction in QBasic is called a statement. Print statement. Print statement displays the output on screen. You can use semicolon and comma since it results differently than a normal print statement. Syntax. Print exp. Where exp is expression of any number, string variable or combination of numbers and variable is algebraic expression. Example. Print dear. Input statement. Input statement command is used to receive input from the user. It will also allow user to input the data. Syntax. Input inverted commas open control string variable. Example. Input. Enter a number 1 semicolon n1. REM statement. This command is used to insert a comment in the body of the program. Syntax. Rem. Remark. Where remark may be any text which describes the program to identify the various parts of the program. Example. Rem. Find area of square. CLS statement. CLS statement is used to clear the screen and makes it blank. Syntax. CLS. End statement. End statement is used to end or finish the program. Syntax. End. Operators. An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform a mathematical or logical calculation of data or on values of variables. Types of operators. 1. Arithmetic operators. 2. Relational operators. 3. Logical operators. Arithmetic operators. These operators are used for performing calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentials. Basic arithmetic operators are given below. Name of the operator: sign, addition, plus, subtraction, minus, multiplication, star, division, slash, exponential. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values of same type and give result. Relational operators used in QBasic are given below. Sign, comparison, equal to, is x equal to y, less than or greater than, is x not equal to y, less than, is x less than y, greater than, is x more than y, greater than or equal to, is x greater than or equal to y, less than or equal to, is x less than or equal to y. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to compare between two or more relational expressions. These operators give a single output, that is, true or false. Sign, operator, description, and when condition is false, or when condition is true, not, opposite value of the result is returned. Hierarchy of operators. Hierarchy of operators shows the order in which operators are executed in any expression. BADMAS is used in it, which stands for B. Brackets, E. Exponential, D. Division, M. Multiplication, A. Addition, S. Subtraction. Example. Solve the expression 8 exponential 2 into 6 plus 3 plus 18 minus 50 divide by 10. First bracket will be solved. 8 exponential 2 into 9 plus 18 minus 50 divide by 10. Second exponential will be solved. 64 into 9 plus 18 minus 50 divide by 10. Third division will be performed. 64 into 9 plus 18 minus 5. Fourth multiplication will be performed. 576 plus 18 minus 5. Fifth addition will be performed. 594 minus 5. Sixth subtraction will be formed. 589. Now this is your answer. Points to remember. QBasic is a programming language based on DOS operating system. A set of symbols that are allowed to be used in QBasic is known as character set. Constants are data or value which does not change or remains fixed during the program execution. Variables are the data whose value doesn't remain fixed. An operator is a symbol which instructs the computer to do calculation work.
A. Take the correct option.